Now we'll move on to a Pontiac Trans Am. Chris Jacobs showed us this car earlier. It's the 1979 Trans Am, lot 159.
Well, you know, the numbers matching thing and date coded thing is very important when it comes to any collector car, but if you're looking at any Pontiac Trans Am built after 1977 with a 400, the engine block's going to have a 1977 casting date. It's because Pontiac built its last batch of 400s in November of 77. So this block is actually 2 years old, and it's correct for this car. But again, we see here the shaker hood standard on all Trans Ams, but it is sealed shut. These are never functional after 1974. But beautiful restoration, 4-speed car, and as for better than this, cool.
Yeah, only 1,100 of these special editions were made. And you know one of the things I like about it, down here, they've got the book showing the entire restoration. And a lot of times when we see this era of car, frankly, coming to Barrett Jackson, it hasn't been restored. But in this case, it's got the full restoration copy of the original sticker. But I love this interior. Check that out. That just screams 1979.
If you take a peek at the door handle just under where you're shooting right now, you'll see the word four-wheel disc. Now, if you hand the rear wheel in the center, you'll see that this actually has disc brakes in the rear as well as up front, which was a new thing for Trans Am in '79. Of course, 1969, Camaro had it for that 1 year, but again, four-wheel disc brakes on Trans Ams was certainly a possibility. You check the door handle if it has it or not. Pretty cool.
Just call me 50 grand. That's our number. Yet another vehicle sells for $50,000. Congratulations to the new owner. Here's Christy Lee.